let's go.
Okay, here we go.
So that was pretty easy. We just got off the airport and went to the first taxi counter that we saw. And for 250,000, we're going to get driven to
the airport bus station. Not to be confused with the downtown bus station.
Yeah. Let's start the climb. The bus station? We're not going to the restaurant, right?
No, but we're good. This is good.
Okay, bus station, here we come. I think we're kind of lost. We are totally lost. We're looking for the bus station that does not exist, but there are all these really cool corn stands. So here we go. While trying not to get run over. Xin chào. Wow. Xin chào. I gotta go. Sorry. And David's just asked for directions. Do we have a bus station?
No.
Oh, wow. We can catch the bus there from to Ha Giang?
Right, yeah.
I think we found the bus to Ha Giang and we're crossing to it. Whoa! Okay. Which way is crossing? This way? Oh yeah. Alright. It doesn't look anything like a bus station to me.
Yeah.
But apparently it is. So David thinks that this one will go to Ha Giang, but I'm not so sure.
I guess we'll have to
Whoa.
Whoa!
You know what? We may be lost, but we're enjoying some damn sweet corn. Oh, it's so amazing.
Pretty good.
It's really hairy and everything. Does the bus to Ha Giang pass here? It's amazing. Oh my god, it's a sleeper bus. Whoa, we're on our way to Ha Giang. Oh my god. I think we got the King Suite.
Climbing up here,
This
but
is like sitting in a cubby house. This is so fun. For this wonderful experience. I mean, like 400,000 for the two people. I can't believe how fun this is. I've never been on a sleeper bus before. And I can't believe it just arrived when we had no idea that we would.
It's a good thing we bought that corn. I guess that's the super secret tip.
Yeah.
Buy corn.
Buy corn.
Yeah.
Thank you, corn sellers. Thank you. Thank you.
The next question we have is, now that we're on the bus, where is this bus going? Don't know.
I swear I asked if it was
And how do we know when we get to Ha Giang? Like, how will we know?
No. Don't worry, we got this far.
Yeah, well, this is a miracle. And then the other thing is, there was no schedule. Like, this is not on any schedule that I know of. So,
Oh look, we're stopping at a
immigration checkpoint. We're done.
Nope.
Oh, they paid the guard. They paid it.
Let's make out with a sleeper
We got the honeymoon suite.
We got the honeymoon.
And we might have it the whole way.
Lovely. Gorgeous way to travel.
I know.
Really loving this. This is probably my favorite way to travel. Not, but they take all but 2 seconds to pick up people.
Oh, they do it in literally less than a minute. Some of them, if they don't have any baggage, to go underneath.
The best thing about sleeper buses, the best thing I love about it, is that we all have to take our shoes off right at the front. David's dirty shoes are not on the bed for
They're
once.
actually in a bag. Plastic sanitary bag.
And we get these little cabins for our things. Maybe it's not such a good thing. Oh. is our new neighbor. Neighbor, hi.
Hi.
Where are you going? Ha Giang?
Bắc Quang.
Ah, okay. These are delicious. The chips. Bim bim?
Bim bim.
Come on, come on. Oh yeah, so this is our bus. Nok Pong Ha Giang. It totally says Ha Giang.
Yeah, they did.
So we arrived safely and the bus stops right next to this hotel. Such lovely people here. You can also rent a motorbike here. But what I love the most is you can get tea here. Ooh, wonderful.